Black X completes a 37-mile walk in honor of Chief Tacky.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
After completing his 37-mile walk from the St Mary Parish Library to Emancipation Park in New Kingston, shortly after noon on Emancipation Day, a barefooted Denis Black X Robinson marked the spot where he says a bust of Tacky should be erected by placing the 30 pounds of chain that he wore around his neck during the journey on an empty mantelpiece. I use this as a platform to push for Tacky to be a national hero, and we think that the spot that is reserved here will suit the bust of Tacky, Black X said. He explained that the busts of the 7 national heroes were placed in the park along with an empty platform that he believes would be perfect to honor Tacky, who led the Easter Rebellion in 1760. Black X started out on his pilgrimage accompanied by a songwriter who came along for inspiration minutes after 10 on Tuesday, July 31, on a mission to have Tacky named a national hero. He said that he did not sleep on Tuesday night, but stopped 4 times along the way. One of the stops was at Devon House. I couldn't sleep because if you sleep, you goodly get caught up in it and no wake up until the morning, he said. With his feet feeling tender from the journey, Robinson said he answered the calls of persons who begged him to walk barefooted. While he walked through the streets of the corporate area, some persons paused to look at him. A demand that we walk from St Mary with a chain, one lady whispered to her 2 friends. After finishing the journey, Black X said that he would return to his home parish by bus and rest up for a couple of days. Despite being tired, he has already started to make plans to take on what he calls a 21-day salute in the months of September and October, when he plans to walk through the 14 parishes in a bid to get Tacky named as a national hero. We will start in St Mary and end on Heroes Day, he said. Well done, Sir Black X. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Please teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.